Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you about transformation of axis. In the transformation of axis again we are going to know about translation of axis. There are two types of transformations. One is rotation of axis and other is translation of axis. Now I am going to tell you about translation of axis. Now let us see what is translation of axis. Translation of axis means changing the coordinate system, means complete coordinate plane by shifting the origin from one point to another point. Okay, we all know origin is 0, 0, that is point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis. So here we are shifting that origin from its original position to some other point. Then complete coordinate system will be changed. Let us see how it will be changed. Suppose let us take this is what x-axis and this is what y-axis. Okay, then we call it as origin 0, 0, O, and now if you change this origin to some other point, I am changing to this point. So now these will become new x-axis. This is what old x-axis, original x-axis and y-axis. Then these will be, you can name it as x dash and y dash, which are shifted. So that origin also shifted to another point O dash, and let us take here the coordinates of origin O dash be h comma k. Now when you are shifting origin from 0, 0 to h comma k, that means from here to here the difference is h, because x coordinate of the new origin is h. So from here to here it should be h, and from here to here it should be k. So h, k. After that, let us know how the coordinates of a point will be changed when you are shifting coordinate axis. Let us take a point here. This is a point. This is a point x comma y. According to original coordinate system, the points are x comma y. That means what? What is the x coordinate? From here to here, the distance will be x. From here to here, distance is x. Okay, and what is the y coordinate from here to here? This is what? Y. This distance is y, and already we know from here to here it is h and this is k. And one more, now these are what? Original coordinates, old coordinates. These are the coordinates with respect to original origin, that is what? Old origin. Now suppose let us know how they are changed according to the new origin. Let us take according to the new origin, coordinates are x dash comma y dash. So here according to original origin, coordinates are x comma y. According to new origin, coordinates are x dash comma y dash. When coordinates are x dash comma y dash here, that means from here to here it is x dash, and from here to here it is y dash. According to the new coordinates it is what? X dash and y dash. Now you can see x is from here to here. Okay, now x is nothing but it is the combination of h and x dash. When you add these two, we get x, because from here to here it is x, h, from here to here it is x dash. So what is x now? X is nothing but x dash plus h. Similarly, when you want y is total distance from here to here, then that will be equal to, from here to here it is k, from here to here it is y dash. Then total distance from here to here, what it will be? Y dash plus k. So what are the original coordinates? X is equal to x dash plus h, and y is equal to, total y is equal to y dash plus k. Like that we get formula. So original coordinates is equal to new coordinates plus new origin. Okay, x is equal to x dash plus h, y is equal to y dash plus k. Okay, these are the formulae to find when you know new coordinates and new origin, new coordinates of the point and new origin when you know, you can find original coordinates by using that formula. Suppose original coordinates are given, new origin is given. In that case, what you have to find? New coordinates you have to find. When you want to find new coordinates, x dash is equal to x minus h and y dash is equal to y minus k. Okay, by using this formula we can find out. Now let us see. Let us know one problem on these formulae. Here one question is given that when origin is shifted to minus 2 comma 3, when origin is shifted to minus 2 comma 3, find the coordinates of 1 comma 2, find the coordinates of 1 comma 2 with respect to new coordinate system, with respect to new coordinate axis. Here what information is given? Origin is shifted to minus 2 comma 3. Here origin is shifted to h comma k. That means what? Here h comma k values are given. H comma k is equal to minus 2 comma 3. Okay, and one more point also given, that is 1 comma 2. Find the coordinates of 1 comma 2 with respect to new coordinate axis. When they are asking coordinates of 1 comma 2 with respect to new coordinate axis, they are asking new coordinates x dash comma y dash. They are asking what is 1 comma 2 here? 1 comma 2 are old coordinates. What are old coordinates? X comma y. So x comma y is equal to 1 comma 2. Then what is the formula to find x dash? X dash is equal to x minus h. X dash is equal to x dash is equal to x minus h. What is x here? 1 minus. What is h here? Minus 2. So 1 minus of minus 2, which is 1 plus 2, 3. Next, y dash is equal to y minus k. What is y here? 2. 2 minus k. K is what? 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So this is what? Y dash. So we got x dash and y dash. X dash comma y dash is equal to 3 comma minus 1. So what are the coordinates of 1 comma 2 with respect to new coordinate axis? 3 comma minus 1. When origin is shifted to minus 2 comma 3, coordinates of 1 comma 2 with respect to new coordinate axis is 3 comma minus 2. Coordinates are 3 comma minus 1. Hope you all understood this. Thank you.